Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ray Place and I'm Ray. Guys, check it out. I have a collaboration video with the people from Biling Solarpower Lighting. All right, they reached out to me, offered me an opportunity to review one of their products, and it's right here, right above there. Tell you guys, you're gonna want to look at this. This little this little light is amazing. I'm gonna go right to it. So check out the video, make some comments, like, subscribe. I think you'll be surprised also. So let's get into the video, guys. Let's go. This is how they send it to you guys. All right. And again, guys, forgive me of the audio. All right, I'm outdoors, neighbors out there doing their yard, so we're just gonna have to push through it, okay? All right, they send you a lucky gift card. All right, so if you just follow their terms, you may get a $15 Amazon gift card. So why not? I'm definitely gonna try that. And this is how the package look, guys. All right, they give you all the fittings. All right, and this light is meant to be mounted pretty much anywhere you want it. What I like about this one here, to tell you the truth, first looking at it, you get two in a box. So let's do this. Let's just take everything out of the box before we get into it. All right, there we go. Set this all up, guys. And they pretty much give you a little how-to method of setting it up, what have you. All right, and again, guys, it's pretty much a no-brainer. And what I like about this, again, this is a solar power battery charging, the 266 LEDs. All right, and that's pretty much how it looks, guys. Now, I'm pretty sure it has a motion sensor that's up here, or the light sensor, or it might be this one right here. I don't know. It's one of those. I know that. Or no, that's the motion. Oh, that's the setting button here. So I guess you hit this here to activate the different 3 modes. That's the solar power part. So this has to be, of course, pointing toward the sun to get fully charged. And this is the back of it, guys. This is rated for outdoor use. It's IP65, so you don't have to worry about water getting into it. So that's a good look. All right, and again, the only 2 mounting points are up here, so you can mount it pretty much anywhere. You want to put it on the side, like this, be the flat end, you can do that, or pointing straight down. It really doesn't matter. I guess it's gonna all depends on where your sun, when the sun can hit it. All right, so when you set these up, keep that in mind. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it up, let it sit here in the sun right now, and decide where I'm gonna put this. Let's get these mounted. Let's figure out the light pattern on this. And what I like about it, look here, you even got lights coming out to the side. So you're definitely gonna get a lot of coverage with this. So let me try to figure out where I'm gonna set this up in my yard. Also, guys, I want to give you a tip also. Being that I'm not sure where I'm gonna mount these yet, I want some flexibility. So what I end up doing, and if you go to your local hardware store, or I'll put a link below in the description, I'm using double-sided tape temporarily, all right? So I can get an idea where I want to put these items. Now, they come in different forms. You can get ones that definitely outdoor rated. I want to put them out, get a feel on how it's performing, and if I don't like it at a certain location, that's why I decided to go with the Velcro. So just keep that in mind. You can have that option. All right. So right now, let's take it outside. I'm gonna attempt to put one up now at a certain location. Let's see how it looks, how it blends with my property, and see if it fits. All right. All right, guys. I'm outside my property, and I installed one of the units right above my carriage doors. All right, and this location, being that I'm running sometimes different color lights, it doesn't put a lot of light here. In front of my carriage doors, and that's always been an issue. So I was looking for something I could put up here that'll brighten up this area when I need it. And to tell you the truth, guys, well, let me just show you. All right, right now it's on the off position. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go up to it, hit the button. The first button is mode 1. Now mode 1 is pretty much acts like a motion sensor. That's the word I'm looking for. I had a brain fart. All right, it acts like a motion sensor. So when it first comes on, it's going to be bright, and then when you walk away, it's going to shut off, which most likely is the mode I'm going to use. So let's take it into mode 1. All right, so you're just going to hit it, and guys, it's going to be real bright. All right, there you go. All right, and as you can see, that thing puts out a lot of light. I'm telling you guys, by my eyes, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but see how it's lighting up the whole front of the garage. Is definitely what I'm looking for. So now it shuts off. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk up to it now. And there it goes, it turns right on. So that is definitely a feature I like. That's exactly what I was looking for this location. And that's only one. All right, I have a second one I can use. So I'm only gonna use one right now in front of here. And as you can see, it shuts right off. So I definitely like that feature. It's very bright. So let's do mode 2. All right, in mode 2 right now, as you can see, let me step back, guys. Mode 2 pretty much is gonna dim down. All right, you're gonna constantly have the light on. It's gonna go into like a low power output, and as you approach it, then it's gonna brighten up some more. So that's your mode 2. So let me show you how it's coming out. I'm walking up to it now. And there the light gets brighter. So again, if you want something where you just want some constant light, but when there's motion, you want to brighten it up, that's your mode 2. All right, so now mode 3 is just a low power output. It stays on. Let me show you. And that's your mode 3. Mode 3, the light stays on constantly, low output, and that's pretty much it. So if you need an area just to be lit on a continuous basis until the sun comes up, then that's your mode 3. So personally, for my personal use, I'm gonna use mode 1, because if someone walks up to my carriage doors, I already have lights. I just want something to brighten up this whole location so I can see who's here. So all right, guys, and that's it, guys. That's the Biling motion detector outdoor lights. I think this is a definite plus. All right, I definitely like it. I want to thank the people at Biling for sending it out to me and collaborate with me with this item, and I'm glad to have it. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a link below of this particular product. It's the holidays. If you're looking for a nice gift, this is something definitely can give to your loved ones or to a family member or friends or what have you. It's not that expensive, and you can't go wrong with it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end this video now. This Ray at Ray Place enjoying his new Biling LED motion detector lights. I give it 2 thumbs up, and I'll check you out on the next one. Later.